Hi, today we will explore the topic of perspectives in Power BI. What is a perspective? It's the scope of data available to the user. We can grant users access to the entire model, but it's risky as they might add fields that are not related. Therefore, it is better to limit the data visible to the user to the necessary minimum.
To add perspectives, go to Power BI Desktop. In the Format tab under Personalize Visual, we can set the data scope. We don't have it done yet, so in this case model and default fields are the same. We can also select Apply to all pages, then the perspective will add to every page of the report. We create perspectives in Tabular Editor, an external tool that needs to be installed. After clicking the Tools icon, our report should open. We can also do this manually using the same icon. Select the server and local instance and open the report. A folder for perspectives is created automatically, and we can create a new folder for our perspective, naming it after our page. We can add entire tables, specific columns, and individual measures. We add all the relevant data and save using Ctrl+S or by clicking the Save icon. At this point, the report is refreshed, which we can see in the visualizations. We save the report in Power BI, click any area outside the visualization, go to the Format tab and check under Personalize Visual to see the new perspective. After selecting our desired perspective, we must republish the report in Power BI Service. Now, we check the changes and confirm that our update was successful. If we would like to save our view and save ourselves the work every time we enter the report, we can create a given bookmark and set it as default. After making any changes, we can also update it, rename it, or delete it. Now, every time you enter the report, instead of the default visualization designed by the developer, our bookmark will be displayed.
That's all for today. Remember, perspectives in Power BI help control the scope of data available to users, ensuring they only see what's necessary and preventing errors caused by unrelated fields. Try these features and see how they can improve your workflow in Power BI.